As many of us prepare to go back to the workplace, the challenges posed by coronavirus are driving innovation around the world. High-strength UVC lights sterilize buses in Shanghai. These full-body disinfection booths are for cleaning travelers in Hong Kong. And it might look like something out of RoboCop, but this police helmet is helping scan pedestrians in China for fever symptoms.
Welcome, sir. If you can
Hello.
just step in front of the camera for me.
Here at this tech company in Uxbridge, this thermal imaging camera is using advanced software to precisely measure skin temperature.
Perfect. You can go through. Thank you.
Thank you.
A temperature of 38 degrees or above is a very good indicator of somebody with a fever.
Gary Harmer is part of the team behind this technology, which is appearing in offices, factories, and airports.
So here I have a hot water bottle. I'm going to put it against my forehead and see what the camera says. It feels quite nice, actually.
The hotter something is, the more infrared light it gives off. The camera measures this, showing the warmest areas as red.
So you can see now, Tim, that the alarm's been triggered.
Okay.
The company policy would be to ask you to do a second screening after a period of rest.
Welcome, sir. If you can
While
stand
it doesn't
up.
replace social distancing, it could help detect early cases of COVID-19.
Perfect. You can-
And the good news is, the system can also differentiate between you and your morning cup of tea. This busy construction site is trialling a new proximity sensor to help with social distancing, and it warns workers when they're getting too near.
So as I get closer to my co-worker, then actually I can feel that through my helmet, the vibrations going off. And as I break the 2-meter boundary, I get a high-pitched beeping noise. It's actually quite loud.
The device was inspired by inventor Tommy Williams's favourite pastime.
I'm a very keen surfer and I wanted to develop a product that would keep me connected at all times when I was out at sea. And there wasn't any technology available on the market, so I realised I needed to build it myself.
Tommy created a location tracker to stop surfers getting lost at sea and adapted it into a proximity monitor for building sites. It uses a combination of Bluetooth, wireless and GPS technology.
So all the data from the wearables is sent to a local hub, and that data is then displayed on a map so you can improve the layout of the site to improve the safety of the workforce.
Technology that has been around for a while, like facial recognition, is being used in new ways.
Authenticated.
This door entry system can identify you even with a mask on.
So this system here uses AI technology. So basically, you just need to input one staff photo, that's enough.
And more importantly, if you need to wear a mask at work, it reminds you.
Please wear a face mask.
I get the prompt to wear a face mask, so I should put that on.
These are high-tech safety ideas, and this is just the beginning.
See, I suppose because we've been working throughout lockdown, we've seen the building adapt and change quite
Signs
gradually.
everywhere,
You know, today we had our temperature checked, and we, you know, as you come into the building, there's something we'll have to do every day. But for some people, it's going to be really different, isn't it?
I don't like it. I find it. I mean, I know you've got to do it because it helps you identify people that may have the virus, but I find it quite spooky. Turning up, looking into a camera.
I suppose it's the only way we can move forward, I guess.
It's got to be
isn't
done.
it?
It's got to be
Gotta
done.
be
Safety
Gotta
first.
be done.